Welcome to Wellington Farms by NVHomes. If you've been seeking a brand new, luxurious single-family home in an amenity-filled community, you've come to the right place. I'm Ellie with NVHomes. Let me show you around. Wellington Farms is North Laurel's most sought-after new home community, perfectly situated in Howard County, just moments from the numerous shops of Maple Lawn. You won't have to travel far to dine at Ananda, indulge in dessert at Decadent, grocery shop at Harris Teeter, or select fresh fruits and vegetables at the weekly farmers market. Plus, with highly rated schools and ample fitness and recreational opportunities, Wellington Farms is the perfect spot for your growing family. Not to mention the soon-to-come community pool and clubhouse. There's truly something for everyone here. Need to travel a bit further? Your new home will be ideally located between Baltimore and DC, making this a commuter's dream location. Residents will enjoy easy access to routes 29, 32, and I-95, as well as the ICC for short trips to the airport, sporting and cultural events, and more. We're offering some of our most popular floor plans here, featuring ample flexibility for you to personalize the home for how your family lives. Choose from selections such as first floor guest suites, homework nooks, loft areas, private studies, covered outdoor porches, or finished rec rooms. You can own up to 6 bedrooms, each including an ensuite bath and walk-in closets, where everyone in the family will feel right at home. Throughout the home, all the designer details you expect from Maryland's luxury builder are included. Gorgeous wide plank flooring, handsome door and window casing, airy 9-foot ceilings throughout, high-end cabinetry with convenience features, gleaming quartz countertops, pendant lighting, tile backsplash, Roman shower with frameless glass shower door. I wish I could name them all. With NVHomes, you'll enjoy peace of mind knowing you've selected the area's most respected home builder. Between our highly tenured staff and the ability for you to select all of your interior features, customers rate the NV experience above all others. I invite you to discover our A+ location, on-site amenities, and exquisite home designs. Model home tours are offered daily by appointment. Schedule yours today. We can't wait to welcome you home.